Imagine paying someone to make your body look better, only to discover that they injected you with chemicals that were never meant to go inside a human body. This is the disturbing story of O'Neill Ron Morris, a woman who became known as a fake doctor in South Florida. Morris had no medical license, but she allegedly presented herself as someone who could perform cosmetic procedures. Her clients were looking for body enhancements, especially a larger and more curvy appearance, and some of them believed they were getting a professional cosmetic treatment. But according to investigators, what was being injected was anything but safe. In one of the first cases that brought Morris to national attention, a woman paid around $700 for buttocks injections. The procedure was extremely painful. Afterward, the woman developed serious medical problems and went to hospital several times. Doctors eventually discovered that something was seriously wrong. Police said the injections involved a dangerous mixture that included cement, mineral oil, and tire sealant. Some reports also mentioned substances such as superglue and bathroom caulk in other alleged procedures. Think about that for a second. These were not medical fillers. These were industrial and household products being put into people's bodies. And the victims didn't always realize what was happening immediately. Some people were embarrassed to tell doctors about the procedures, which made the situation even more dangerous. But the story didn't end with one victim. After Morris was arrested, more people started coming forward. Investigators received reports from other individuals who said they had undergone similar procedures. Some victims reportedly suffered serious infections, scarring, and other major complications. One woman, Shatarka Nubi, later became connected to an even more serious case. Nubi had received cosmetic injections from Morris years earlier. She eventually died in 2012. Authorities linked her death to complications from cosmetic injections, and Morris was later charged with manslaughter. But there is an important detail here. The exact substances involved and the medical causes were disputed at different points during the investigation and court proceedings. Morris also denied the earlier allegations and said she was innocent. So this wasn't simply a strange internet story. It became a criminal case that went through the courts. In 2017, Morris pleaded no contest to manslaughter and practicing medicine without a license. She was sentenced to 10 years in prison, and the case left behind a disturbing lesson about the risks of black market cosmetic procedures. When someone promises a cheaper or faster way to change your body, it can be tempting to ignore the warning signs. But cosmetic procedures are still medical procedures. The person performing them should have the proper medical training, licensing, and a safe environment. Because once something is injected into your body, you can't simply take it back. O'Neill Ron Morris wanted people to believe she could give them the body they wanted. Instead, her illegal procedures left victims with severe injuries, and in one case, a woman lost her life. And that is what makes this case so disturbing. It wasn't just about a fake doctor. It was about people trusting someone with their health and discovering far too late that the person they trusted was never qualified to treat them in the first place.